Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I'll show you how to buy from AliExpress in USA. Open AliExpress application on your device and make sure that you're signed into your account, or you can create one if you don't have it yet. At the top of your screen, use the search bar to look for the item that you want. Simply type the name and tap search button. So type the keywords. For example, it could be phone case or something else. Or you can go to your home page right here and scroll through recommended products right here. And also at the top you can see some sections. So if I go to jewelry, I will see here items that are related to jewelry. When you found the product that looks good to you, simply tap on it to open the description of the product that you liked, and here you can review images, and some sellers upload some photos to their products. Of course, read description of the product, price of the item, shipping time, delivery time, and of course you can see reviews of other people who ordered this item. Here also you can see some variations of the product, so it's color right here, and it could be size or model, whatever product that you're looking for, it will be different. So select the option that you like, and if you want to keep browsing, press add to cart button at the bottom, and this will add this product to my cart. And if you are ready to make an order, press buy now button to proceed to checkout page. So here you can select delivery service. Also make sure that your delivery address is correct, and if not, you can always edit it, or you can add a new shipping address. Also select your payment method. Here are many options to choose from, so make sure that your payment method is correct. And also here is the summary. This is the price that I'm going to pay. Here I can enter my promo codes if I have one, and I can see my shipping fee. When everything looks right, tap place order button at the bottom to make an order, and then you will get a notification with your number of your order. And if you go back, let me show you 1 second. If I go to my account at the bottom, I can see here section my orders, tap view all, and here you will see your orders. And if you tap on any order, you will see details of your order, and then you can track your package delivery, get any updates, or you can message your seller. So that's basically how you can buy from AliExpress in USA. I hope this video helps you, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.